few myths related to the UPSC. UPSC is the toughest examination and only toppers can crack this examination, but it's not true. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel TheHinduZone. Today I will discuss few myths related to the UPSC. So I am gonna to start myth number 1. It is the toughest examination and it is the mothers of all examination, but it's not true. The main thing we need to maintain is consistency, hard work and dedication. Second myth, UPSC is the toughest examination and only toppers can crack this examination, but it's not true. Only toppers and intelligent students cannot crack. Even average students can also crack this examination. So the main things, you have to maintain your consistency and dedication. And the third myth is that prelims is all about the fact. It's not true. The main you have to focus on the main streams because it is based on the conceptualized based rather than the factual basis. So thank you very much. Have a nice day and all the best for the upcoming examinations.